I can't believe how much Salesforce stock rocketed today after beating its current quarter Wall Street earnings estimates. Salesforce is a business application that helps companies organize their sales operations and customer relationships. The stock had been hit hard in 2020 but came roaring back this year after multiple activist investors swarmed the company and pressured the management to make changes. As of August 2023, all of the activists have exited their position and taken their profit because Salesforce was up 65% so far this year. Unfortunately for them, if they had held through another couple of months, they would have pushed out another 25% gain. In their latest quarter, earnings came in 51% higher than last year, which is strong, and their revenue was in line with expectations at 11%. Their guidance also came in above expectations, and they even mentioned customer interest into AI. Salesforce rocketed over 9% just today and is now up almost 87% this year to date in 2023. It looks like it's trying to close the gap between its previous high of $300. Do you think Salesforce will continue to rally?